Welcome to Art of the Picture Book. I am Miss Angee. I work here at the main library, and today I will be reading a monster book. I will read Bedtime for Monsters by Ed Vere, read with permission from Henry Holt & Company. And stay tuned because afterward I will show you how to make your very own monsters. These are made out of pom-poms. I'll show you how to make the pom-poms from yarn, and then you can decorate them with paper or felt or however you want. I'm going to show you how to make your very own monsters. But first, let's read Bedtime for Monsters.
Bedtime for Monsters by Ed Vere, read with permission of Henry Holt & Company. Bedtime for Monsters. Do you ever wonder if somewhere, not too far away, there might be monsters? Because supposing there are monsters, do you think that this monster might be licking his lips and thinking about you? And if this monster is thinking about you, maybe he's thinking about you in an eating you up kind of way. I hope not, because he's coming to find you right now. Ring-a-ding-ding. And as he bicycles bumpily through a dark and terrible forest, bump, bumpity bump, do you think he's smiling because he remembered to pack his knife and fork? And as he crosses the goopy, shloopy swamp, bloop, bloop, shloop, do you think he's imagining just how good you'll taste, all covered in ketchup? And as he tiptoes through thorns and thistles, scratch, scratch, ouch, do you think he'll decide you'll taste even more delicious, squished and then squashed into hot, buttered toast? And at this very moment, as he climbs up the cold and snowy mountains, getting closer and closer to you, don't you think he'll be feeling very hungry indeed? You're not scared, are you? Because if he is feeling very hungry indeed, while he searches high and low and up and down and in and out all over town, maybe you'll hear his big, empty tummy rumbling and grumbling. And if you do hear rumbling and a grumbling, might you also hear a creak, creak, creak as he starts to climb the stairs? Creak, creakity creak. And as he opens your bedroom door, do you think he's licking his lips because he wants to gobble you up? Oh, no. It's much worse than that. This monster wants a disgustingly sloppy goodnight kiss. Because it's bedtime for monsters everywhere. Big ones like him and little ones just like you. Did you really think he'd eat you up? How silly. Although, you could leave out a little bedtime snack, just in case. Thank you so much, Ed Vere and Henry Holt & Company, for letting us read Bedtime for Monsters. All right, are you ready to make your own pom-pom monsters? Let's get started. Here's a little orange one. We used felt and googly eyes and orange yarn, and first thing you're going to need is some cardboard. I think mine's about 4.5 inches by 4 inches. You're going to need some adult to help you with this part, okay? Don't cut yourself. I used a pair of good scissors to cut into the center of it to make like a great big fat U shape. Hold on, I'll show you. Yeah, it's really hard to cut with these scissors. But yeah, once you get your U shape, then you can take your yarn, whatever color you choose, You can use a single color like I'm using the blue, or you can use a couple of colors and wrap it around. I think I did that, yeah, with the orange and red and yellow. So, but take whatever color yarn you choose. I like the purple. And wrap it around the U shape, the legs of that cardboard. This part is pretty simple. You just wrap it about 100 times. The more yarn you use, the fuller it will be, and the thicker and bigger around your monster will be, your pom-pom. Now, try to get that yarn into one area so that you can see all the way through both sides of the U shape. Yeah, see? You want to make sure that you can reach through both sides. Now take another piece of yarn. This is what you're going to tie it with. This too, you might need an adult to help. It helps to have an extra set of hands on this. So bring the yarn through that U shape and tie your great big ball of yarn really, really tight. That's important. So you have to tie it very tight. This is where it helps to have another set of hands. I like to do it twice just to make sure that it's tight. If it's not tight, then the yarn's going to come out and your monster will fall apart. Yeah, really tight. The tighter the better. And then slide your yarn off the legs of your cardboard. Now, with an adult's help, take the scissors and cut through the folded ends of the yarn. There you go. Just cut it all the way through. Be careful. And look, you can see the pom-pom has already taken shape. There you go. Ta-da! Shape it up with the scissors to give it a nice full effect, or you can leave it floppy. It's really up to you. You're the artist here. There's no right or wrong. You do what you want. Ta-da! Isn't it cute? All right. And now we're gonna go to the glue. You can use Elmer's glue, hot glue. I've got a Sharpie, some cardboard. I found some more pom-poms in the craft room, and pipe cleaners, but you can decorate it however you want to. I think I'm gonna use this cardboard, and I'm gonna draw some eyeballs. Some big eyeballs. Should I make it spooky or cute? All right, cute. Maybe a girl with some long eyelashes. I'm gonna do some feet too. I'm gonna use the cardstock to make some feet. Yeah. Oh, look at those little tootsies. Well, those aren't the greatest tootsies, but they're monster tootsies, so they should be fine. All right. So, remember it's called hot glue. Be careful, don't burn yourself. It's called hot for a reason. You can use Elmer's glue too, it just takes a lot longer to dry. All right, put it on there however you want to. You can also make eyes out of felt, however you want to. Oh man, I'm gonna put those pom-poms on like ears. 1, 2. Okay, how about I show you how to make some deedly boppers? That's what they're called, deedly boppers, right? Out of your pipe cleaner. You just twist it around a pencil, or I'm gonna use my Sharpie. Twist it around, boing, 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 boing. And when you pull it off, ta-da! You can have some spirally little deedly boppers. Yeah, that's cute. I'm gonna glue it back there. Make 2 of them. Okay. So I'm gonna put it on the back. And there's my monster. All right. I hope you've enjoyed Art of the Picture Book. Hey, if you make some cute little monsters, will you show me? Just put a picture of your monsters, tag me here, put it in the comments, or put it at the Lexington Library on our Facebook page and show me your silly, spooky monsters. Join me next time for Art of the Picture Book. Bye-bye.